Meet Sultan Hassan al-Bolkiah of Brunei, the world's wealthiest monarch. His car collection? Unreal. Over 7,000 luxury cars worth $5 billion. Imagine this: 600 Rolls-Royces, 450 Ferraris, and 170 Porsches. And his private jets? Pure opulence. His custom Boeing 747 alone costs $230 million, with a gold-plated interior fit for royalty. He lives in the Istana Nurul Iman, the largest palace in the world. 1,788 rooms, 257 bathrooms, and a mosque for 1,500 people. His wealth, around $30 billion, comes from Brunei's vast oil and gas reserves. He's not just a sultan, he's a symbol of luxury.